What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Wednesday, April 20th, and today we're going to be talking about a very unique NFT collection, and that is called Stack Titan. Now, Stack Titans is an NFT collection that kind of allows you to have membership or exclusivity within this investors Illuminati, as you would call it. And what they provide is a software as a service, which is also known as the ticker symbol SaaS tech. Now, we're going to dive deep into what this NFT collection is and how it could benefit you if you're into trading, day trading, or leverage trading. So guys, before we dive deep into this project, you got to do it as usual. Smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email. So please be careful and invest safely. So guys, let's go ahead and dive deep into this. And we need to know that the pioneers that started this are Ready Player H and Zanshake. Now, these guys are a part of the Neo Tokyo Citizens Club, which I am as well. I am an Outer Citizens. So this is one of the benefits of joining these groups within Neo Tokyo, because you get to meet great partners and great people within this community. So other people that are involved in this, we're going to talk about in a little bit, but we need to understand why this is important, why an NFT collection like this allows you to have benefits. Well, we do know that there's always liquidations in markets. And as we know, because of the crypto market not being regulated, meaning protecting investors in a certain way, there's a lot of volatility, a lot of liquidations. And what does that mean? People who put large positions in for either short or long positions tend to get completely grilled if they're inexperienced in the space. And the saying is, there are around 90% of leverage traders that tend to fail in this space. Now, that's just not my own personal words. I've heard that from somebody else. But again, when we move through this video, none of this financial advice. This is just my own financial opinion. So you got to do your own research before investing in a project like this. But this is specifically due to a whitelist. Stack Titans is doing a whitelist, and you can participate in that. And we're going to share that too. But in this chart, we're seeing how many liquidations happened since January 20th. Even the highest of around $987 million can be around liquidated between short and longs. Either people short it or they long it. And so it's just astounding how many people lose money in this space. But maybe there's a service out there, maybe there's a group out there, or maybe there's an NFT collection out there that gives you access to see things, to swing trade better. Now, I'm not a leverage trader myself, but this tool I think is very interesting, and I'm really tempted to be a part of this community. So let's go ahead and go to Ready Player H, who has kind of provided some updates around how this benefits people. Now, he says in this Twitter feed, don't mind steady stack. Algo, which is algorithm, just doing its thing. Now, NFT is finally going to be leveraged for what the purpose that they were meant to serve. More than just a profile community with backbone and hard value. DRM, which is digital rights management, digital rights management, the future software ownership and transactions. And as you can see here, these are the different trades that have been happening, and it seems like those algorithms can do really well. Now, my community, the Neo Tokyo Citizens, when there is the S1 Citizens and then there's the S2 Outer Citizens, a lot of them are following this project, as you could see, for Stack Titans. So I tend to follow what the group is following. That makes me feel comfortable. But not only that, they recently made an announcement. Dogepound, which is an NFT collection on OpenSea, decided to make a partnership with them for this giveaway. And as you can see here, they're partnered with Stack, but in this image, there's a very familiar face in here, and this design looks very familiar to someone's profile picture. And we do know that that is Alex Becker. Alex Becker is the founder, one of the founders of Neo Tokyo next to Elio Trades. And in his profile, he has the exact same design. So obviously there's a lot going on behind the scenes that we don't know of, but that should just leave you some speculation to go around. Now, another person that they worked with is Johnny from Hustlepedia. Hustlepedia does these appearances on Crypto Banter, and they talk about a lot of different projects on there, and now they're doing a giveaway for this NFT as well. Now, that may have ended by the time of this recording, but it just goes to show that there's a lot of momentum building around this ecosystem. Now, we want to understand why it's still early to be a part of this, and Ready Player H helps you understand that. Now, this NFT gives access to Investor Illuminati, plus access to trading technology with users that is a 2.5 thousand year. Now, changing the NFT space by leading with utility, value, and fully functional product on day one. The project will be the ultimate Investor Illuminati, 7 through 9-figure traders. That's a lot of money. Investors and entrepreneurs will be part of this group. Now, the reason I find this really interesting is because you at least get to work with people in the space that are really established, that have done this for a while. And again, if you're really early on and you're just beginning, this is probably the best route to get into leverage trading, because you're going to be joining a group. Now, joining Neo Tokyo has many benefits. Joining the community, meeting up with other people, collaborating, building. Now, if you can't afford to be part of the Neo Tokyo community, then might as well look into this and try to score a whitelist and get these things for a really good price entry point. Now, this could be life-changing if you master the technique and meet with these community members and join on their Discord. Now, on their Steady Stack info breakdown, it has a few simple things I just want to answer. And it says, when can we mint it? Hopefully within 60 days. Simple as that. And then what is the supply? That hasn't been determined yet, but they're going to seek around 3,333 at that time. Now, when is the mint price? You got to find out on their Discord. So you got to go to the how to whitelist category in the Discord, and there it should be happening. How many Steady Stack Titans per mint? Now, it says max mint per wallet will be low to match our supply. But the standard whitelist will only allow 1 mint, so you got to keep that in mind. This includes giveaway winners. Don't be surprised if the most valuable and dedicated of the grunts have the ability to mint more than 1 Titan. It's only right that there are tiers. Now, is Steady Stack an alpha group? We are 100x an alpha group. Reason being is that no alpha group comes with the underlying day one utility that Steady Stack offers with its proprietary trading tech, SaaS, software as a service, to guide better entries and exit stops, all the other values such as masterminds and AMAs, with 8 to 9 figure leaders in trading, investing, business, real estate, and more. This is why you're wanting to be a part of this group, right? You want to be a part of something that is part of this community, exclusivity for yourself. That's amazing to have that tool. So this NFT is supposed to provide that access. So here are a few examples of people who have had success using this. Now, Jabunga says, been using and learning Steady Stack NFT free algorithm for crypto since I got into their Discord a few weeks back. Knew I was going to take a week hiatus, so I followed their alerts and converted 80% of my ETH to stables. Converted almost at the peak of the ETH run. Feels good. So that means these people have used their Discord to allow themselves to exit at the right time before things took a dip. So you can see here that it's actually working for people within the group. So who knows what the NFT is going to do for you as well. Now, this person made a great example. Now, this is when you combine your setups with Steady Stack's algorithm. Now, as you can see here, this is when they made the call. Now, this is a call that they made for the Bitcoin USDT, and that's amazing. So this person replies, there is so much free value given, and I'm so very grateful of being a part of an evolving community. This is a project like no other, and it is here to stay and take over. Imagine that this is what it's like to have free information within their Discord. I can't imagine what it's going to be like to have exclusivity within the NFT, to have these expert trading tips to enter and exit a position, short or long. You do not want to be the very 90% that gets liquidated and losing all your money and buying back into your positions. You do not want that. And also they are building awareness, developing ads, making sure that people are aware of this. So this is really cool to see that they are marketing themselves in a very simple but creative way. Now, if you haven't, you can join their Discord, and soon they may even close this Discord, because right now they have around 6.7 thousand members. So get into this as soon as possible if you can. If not, then you may be a grunt. You may get in this too late. But guys, there are so many different things in here. You have within the Steady Stack chats, you have the general chat, alpha chat, headquarters, DeFi yield, real estate, health is wealth. But not only that, stock alerts, stock swings, crypto alerts, crypto swings, and also wins and losses. These sections right here tend to benefit a lot for you guys, but we also have analysis sections for swing trader trackers and so much more. So guys, you have to be a part of this before it's too late. I wanted to inform you guys because again, I'm part of the Neo Tokyo community, so I get first insights on this, but I want you guys to stay into this as well. So guys, be sure to get into this as soon as possible, and be sure not to just join their Discord, but to also join their Twitter page, because they're doing whitelist events right now, so don't be too late and miss out on the opportunity. Again, this may never come around again, and this is not going to happen in the near future. So guys, make sure to get inside now. So with that said, guys, be sure to like that button, subscribe to the channel, join our Patreon page, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching Cryptolution. Register on our Patreon page for our insider training tips and more. And don't forget to click on the affiliates link below to receive sign-up bonuses and access the global crypto assets exchange. Invest safely, and we'll see you on the next episode of Cryptolution.